Hi, Chav Weather here with a video looking at a tornado and heavy hail hitting Yantai in Shangdong Province, China. The strength of the tornado has been reported as EF1. At the same time as the tornado hitting, a large unprecedented hailstorm also hit the area, lasting for around 10 minutes. Serious damage was caused by this weather event, with roofs taken off buildings and crops being destroyed. The cause of this weather event has not yet been recorded. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another video soon.